Hello guys, welcome back to HG Samas English channel. So today our topic how to ask questions. So my dear, we are going to start how to start English speaking. So my dear, in this time front of sitting and Piyush, basically Piyush wants to ask any question. So I am going to start new topics. Topic name is how to give reply in any question and answer. So are you ready, Piyush?
Yes, sir.
So Piyush, do you want to ask me question?
Sir, please tell me why is important AI for human's life?
Okay, Piyush, as my experience, AI is very most important. Without AI, you cannot survive on this earth. Basically, AI is very most important tool in this time, because if you use AI, so you can increase the productivity. You can increase your some mentality. You can increase the knowledge. So as my opinions, AI is very most important for everyone's person. If you use AI, so you can and quickly work and easily. If you use AI, so you can solve any question easily. If you use AI, so you can answer search anything and quickly. So AI is compulsory. You can create any content through AI.
How to influence people through AI?
Okay, there are many apps available in AI. So you can ask any question. AI give reply how to influence people.
Why is important communication for everyone, people?
Okay, Piyush, communication skill is very most important for everyone person, because without communication you cannot talk anyone people. As my personal experience, there are many salesperson know very well how to influence people, so they sell product easily types. If you want to become a good and co-founder any company, if you want to become a good businessman person, so you need to learn a communication skill. Without learn communication skill, you cannot and talk anyone people. Communication is the skill root our life. We can say communication is very most important our life, because communication is skill non-verbal and verbal communication. Because what do you want to say about in front of people? Communication skill is very necessary for every new generation. If you want to sell any product, so you need to learn and communication skill. As of my experience, my teacher told me, so what if you know very well communication, so you can sell any product. As of my experience, I understood communication skill is very most important. If you want to become a public speaker, so you need to learn communication skill. If you don't want to become a public speaker, so there is no need communication skill. But communication skill is every person need to these things. Anybody ask question, you can ask me.
Yes, sir. Sir, why is important beauty? Please tell me.
Okay, beauty is very most important for as my experience. There are many persons very handsome looking. So as my opinions, they are very handsome looking handsome because they want to attract many people. If you have beauty, then you can attract many people. As my experience, if you have good personality, then people would like to you. You are not in beauty, so people not would like you. But beauty is compulsory. If you walk in anywhere, if you walk in garden, so you want to see in beauty. As first example, and you see many flowers. So you need to see which is the most important flower. Lotus, rose, lily, sunflower. So you would like to answer rose, lotus. So as my experience, beauty is very most
Sir,
important.
in this time, beauty is better than education better than.
As my experience is both are important. Basically.
But people have one choice, so you can choose. Your choice is.
As my choices and knowledge is very most important. Because as of my experience, if you have knowledge, then you can influence people. Because if you are disciplined, if you have answer good manner, if you have good answer etiquette, if you have good answer disciplined student, so you can attract any people. Because in this time knowledge is compulsory. If you have a knowledge, so you can attract anybody people.
Why is important time for a student life?
Okay,
Please tell me.
Okay, so my dear guys, Piyush wants to ask question. Why is important time? So I would like to share my views. What is your time? What
Only
is your
student life,
Yes,
please, sir.
only student life. Because if you want to become a good businessman, yeah, as my experience, my dear student, if you want to become a great person in this world, if you want to become a good social media influencer, content writer, a digital marketer, so you need to learn answer time. Because if you know very well how to manage time, so you can grow your personality, you can increase your productivity, you can work and efficiently. So as my experience, time is very most important for everyone human being. Without time, we cannot answer. We cannot do one work any perfectly. So as my experience, if you utilize good time, so you can read carefully, you can learn something new. In this time, students understand time, so student can achieve success easily.
Without money, you can achieve success. Yes and no. Without money.
Yes, yeah, absolutely. You can achieve success without money. First of all, but you have to have confidence. You have to knowledge. If you have great knowledge, then you can achieve success. There are many people has not first time money, but they people have to and the only
But
courage.
in this time, people first time looking your money, not a knowledge.
Because the people don't know what is important in this time. If you know this thing, what is the requirement my life. If you know this thing, what is the requirement my life, so you can earn money. First of all, we must understand what is the art of myself. First time you need to improve yourself, then earn money. People would like to give you money, then you are improve yourself. You need to adopt many skill. You need to work on yourself.
Degrees matter than everyone people, yes or no?
Yes, degree is very compulsory, but
Without degree, you not achieve success.
you can achieve success. There are many richest person. He has not a degree, but he's a very great in power because he's a very great in energy. He's a very
Please
great
tell me
in
one
confidence.
businessman person name is no have degree.
Because I cannot share here. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Thanks for watching my video, guys. I hope you will be understand this topic. Thanks for watching my video, guys. Jai Hind, दोस्तों.